Nice, perfect.
Yeah.
Runway 30,
good job.
arrival there, runway to the left.
Okay, so today's temperature is 26. 26 means 22.7.
Okay.
Yeah, 22.7 and 23.5 is our maximum performance takeoff for 5 minutes.
0.6 to 3.6, right?
Yeah, 237. 236.
Yes.
Yeah, 236.
Okay. So it's evening, so maybe they change the frequency later on this one. So then maybe the tower says helicopter 83 hotel, change to tower frequency 119.4. And then we just say 119.4, helicopter 83 hotel, and then you can press the button and have the other one.
Okay.
So maybe at some point he will tell us. Okay, then you're good to go, huh? Checked everything.
Yep.
So you can put the checklist below the seat and...
So request frequency change for 119.
No. We don't... I just said, so now they have both frequencies.
Yeah.
But at some point they're gonna change to only one. And then they will tell us, hey, change the frequency. And then we say, okay, we change to 119.4.
Yeah, previously I have experience about it.
Okay,
yeah.
Nice.
Anyway. Okay, friction off. Collective, first. Friction on again. And cyclic friction off. And let's check the low RPM warning lights. RPM's up.
Yes.
Yeah, first. Okay. Clutch lights 1, 2, 3, 4. Clutch light is out.
Yeah, now you can check the low RPM warning lights.
Yeah.
The first, yeah.
Yeah, RPM is working.
Okay, then you can do a gauge check and then we
Gauge
can
check.
pick
Okay,
up.
1, 2, 3 green, at center, carb time is out of yellow. No warning light except clutch lights.
Yeah, then let's wait a second.
Clutch lights 3, 4, clutch lights out. No warning light, no caution light, tab is green.
Okay, then you can pick us up and then we're gonna turn the nose to the tower. Oh, don't let go of the collective.
Okay.
Never, okay? Especially when you're solo. And then we're gonna turn our nose to the tower and do the radio call, because then we should be able to hear him a little better.
Yeah.
Then we request
Pad assignment.
pad assignment with Zulu.
Okay.
Okay. Nice, good job.
Yep.
Okay, let's hover a little to the back, maybe here.
A little back.
To the back, yeah.
Okay.
More. After. Okay, let's turn to the tower. Left side clear.
Yep. Left side clear.
Okay. And whenever you're ready, you can do the radio call.
Okay.
Okay, wait. Okay.
Okay. Long Star Helicopter 7680 Hotel, Maverick request pad assignment with information Zulu.
Helicopter 7683 Hotel, Longitude Tower, diffuse cost, and there's somebody outbound from that ramp, fixed-wing aircraft. Departure from Maverick will be at your own risk and have all paths available.
Departure at Maverick, Rio Risk, Helicopter 80 Hotel.
Left clear, right side clear.
Yeah.
Okay, slowly.
Yeah.
So make sure, yeah, okay, you can now normal takeoff.
Normal takeoff.
So on the right pedal turns, just a little reminder, we have to do it always pretty slowly.
Yeah.
We're pretty high on power, yeah. So don't raise more.
Yeah. Light lift forward.
So she also said all pads are available. So we could have said we would like pad free, but now later on she will just tell us.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's make sure you have 60 knots and you can raise collective a little more.
Yeah.
Then we want to have 500 before we cross the runway. You can already turn. Make sure you keep climbing. Left side clear. And you can
November 311, runway 26 right, clear for the option.
Runway 26 right, clear for the option 311.
Helicopter 83 Hotel, what pad do you want?
pad 3, 83 Hotel.
83 Hotel, pad 3, clear to land.
Pad 3, clear to land, helicopter 83 Hotel.
Right as she gives us the clearance, there is one landing.
Oh yeah.
Right, yeah. Okay, you can already lower the collective because we crossed runway 30.
Yeah.
And for now you can keep the 70 and just before you turn base you go to 60 and we turn over the road. Our base is on the road.
Cessna 537, it's number 2, runway 26 right, clear for the option.
Clear.
Number 2, 26 right, clear
Light
for the option.
lift forward.
Keep the collective down, yes. No, down. Down.
Collective down.
Down, yes.
Yeah.
We want to keep descending. Nice, 60 knots. You don't raise it too much.
Yeah.
So only when we have about 350 you can raise a little bit. Left side is clear.
Left side clear.
But actually now we are a little high. So here we want to be at 300 feet and 60 knots.
Yeah.
And did not do a gauge check, a landing check. Not too free in the green, I'm center, control yellow, caution lights off, text in the green, good on fuel. Okay, then you can push down the carpet and focus on the approach. Yes. So
Yeah.
final carpet comes down. And now fast walking pace, fast walking speed to the spot. We are now very slow, so raise collective forward cyclic. Raise collective.
Raise
Raise
collective.
is up, the lower is down.
Ah yeah. Lace collective and forward
Okay,
cycling.
now we can lower collective again.
Lower collective.
Just focus on the approach. Make sure you always get a little slower until you are in ground effect.
Yeah.
And keep the forward cyclic. Forward. Don't raise too much now. We still are a little high. Don't raise too much. Yeah. Nice. Pretty nice approach.
Yeah.
You could, in the end, maybe just a little bit more forward cyclic, but it's actually a pretty good approach.
Yeah.
Okay, let's turn to the left, please. Left side clear.
Yeah. Take clear.
Yeah, let's turn to the tower. Okay, yeah, feels pretty stable actually, huh?
Uh-huh.
Let's set down.
Set down here.
Yes.
Okay.
Left. Make sure you don't slide left and right.
Yeah.
So if you see the helicopter goes to the right, apply left cyclic.
Collective throw down.
When you go down, also right pedal at the same time.
Light pedal.
So this is the end position, a little bit right pedal applied.
Okay.
Okay, now we are safe on the ground. Then you can pick us up again.
Pick up again.
Yes, please.
Okay. 1, 2, 3 green. F center. Carb time is all yellow. No warning light, no caution light. Tape is green.
Touch light.
1, 2, 3. Yeah,
Okay.
out.
If you want, you can also put your arm down on your leg if it's easier.
Like that?
Yeah, for me it's easier, but whatever you prefer. So you need also a little left pedal, then maybe like that.
Okay.
But whatever works best for you.
Okay.
Okay, let's pick up. Okay, then let's do gauge check.
Yeah, 123 green. F center, curve name is auto yellow, do onion light, do caution light, have is green.
And that radio is on